floral tape. Today I have green and yellow. So I'm going to start with the green floral tape. Floral tape, and when you give it a little pull, it gets sticky, okay? So we're going to take the stem and we're going to attach it to the pin. But what I do is put a little bit glue at the tip, and then I take the pin, the flower, and stick it onto the pin, okay? And then I take a piece of the floral tape and I wrap it around so that's going to stick, okay? Then I wrap it, and I wrap it around the ink pen. And then sometimes I like to let the blue show, or whatever color it is, so people know what color the pen is. And after I wrap it down to the bottom, I go back to the top and I give it a little tug as I'm wrapping it so that it's going to stick. Now you don't have to put glue at the beginning and end, but I like to do the glue at the beginning and the end. And so once I get to the top, I'm going to put just a little speck of glue, and then I'm going to wrap it and snip it, or I can pull it, and then there you go, flower pin. Okay, now this is a pretty yellow, and I'm going to use the yellow floral tape for this one, okay? But this time, to make it a little easier, what we're going to do, we're going to pull ourselves out a long piece. This may be easier way, and then cut it, okay? So after you cut it, again, you're going to take the stem, you're going to glue it to the pin, okay? So we're going to take a little bit of glue, the side of the pin, and then we're going to put this there, and we're going to start wrapping the tape around the pin. So wrap the tape. Sometimes you got to kind of try to hold it in place, okay? Hold it tight, and then just start wrapping. Again, giving it a tug as you wrap. And the reason I like to go, sometimes that little thing has a little sticky part, and it could stick somebody's hand, so that's why I like to do it 2 times. And also with these colors, they're a little thin, so I like to go back up with it. Okay. So again, we want the color of it so people can see what color it is. And so now I'm going to go back up, wrapping it and pulling, wrap and pull, wrap and pull till we get to the top of the end of the tape. This is the end of the tape here. So okay, and then we put a little glue at the tip, and there we go. And we could take and make a nice bouquet of flowers with our pins, and someone can have this on their desk.